My name is Senapathy. I stay in Saptanagar, Mulund West. I was having a blood vision problem for quite some time, but the doctors had told me to defer the operation for some time as it was not emergent. I just happened to meet Dr. Rai about a month back, and I showed my eyes to him, and he said the cataract has advanced to a stage where I will need to get it done as early as possible. So I took the help of the staff. I took the help of the staff of the hospital, who have been very good to me, and on the recommendation, I have gone through the operation very successfully. I am very happy with the manner in which the staff and the doctors have carried out the operation. I am having a very perfect eyesight now, and I would recommend Drishti Eye Care to anyone who comes in here. In fact, I do it myself. I tell people to go to Drishti Eye Care. Thank you.